Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm just gonna do a really quick 5-minute transformation. So I'm gonna go from this to this. So let's get right into the video. This is gonna be a very short, quick video, and I'm just gonna show you guys kind of like my everyday makeup routine, but very quickly. I literally do this in like 5 minutes. So let's get right into the video. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already have a little bit of concealer on because my skin is so bad. But I use this Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag and I like it a lot. So I just put my concealer on like the spots where I have dark spots, which is almost like all over my face right now. So I just blend that in. So yeah, I know my face looks very light right now, but it's because of the concealer. This is light medium, and just because it's concealer, I think it's fine because I will add some CC cream now. And if you're wondering what this is, I actually burned myself cooking. Ouch. Now I'm gonna use my favorite CC cream from It Cosmetics. I love this. I have been using it for a while now. I just put a little bit goes a long way, and then I just put that on my skin. Okay, and that should be enough. Time for eyebrows. I just like to brush them out. Always I like to brush them out. I haven't done my eyebrows in the longest time now because every time I do my eyebrows, they just overdo it. Like every time I go to get my eyebrows done, they just over pluck, over wax, over everything. Like they just take off all my brows and leave me with like nothing. So I haven't done my eyebrows in like months, but I just pluck my eyebrows at home because sometimes you can't trust people. So just fill them in. I know I look crazy right now, but I'm brushing them out, and this is really gonna change the whole look of the brow. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is bake a little bit because my face is so oily that I just have to bake. So I'm using this Tarte powder. Just use my sponge and kind of just like press it under my eyes, just like that. I'm so oily, so I have to do this, and I've noticed that this really helps a lot. I kind of put it around my mouth too. And I just let it bake for a little bit. Now I'm gonna use this bronzer that I just got from my Ipsy bag. So I'm gonna try it right now and see how it is. This color is very pretty. Very excited to use this. That's nice, I like that. So I'm gonna use the same bronzer for my eyeshadow, and I do this every day, and I just put it on my crease. You see how that just kind of like makes your eyes look just a little bit different, like it's a little touch, you know. So I'm gonna take off all this powder with a big brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna put a little bit more bronzer. I just like to look very bronzy. My skin tone is very tan, so I want to make sure that I look very tan and bronzy. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I'm just using my blush now. This is the one from Klara Cosmetics. I love her. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this pink on my cheeks. I love this blush because it has like a little bit of like a glow to it, kind of like a little bit of a highlighter in there. So it kind of just gives you a nice little pink tone, but also like very glowy and nice. So I really like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this highlighter like right here. Ooh, you see that? Wow, that highlight though, I love it. I'm gonna put a little bit more, well, a little bit on this side. Now I'm gonna use the mascara from Klara Cosmetics as well. This mascara is so good. You guys will see the big difference that it does to my lashes. Just apply this. Like, do you guys see that? I'm loving this mascara. And I'll just put a little bit on this side. As always, I'm gonna link all the products down below in the description box. So if you like any of these products, go ahead, check them out. They are down in the description box if you want to buy them. And I'm almost done. I gotta do the lips now, but I just use my Vaseline. I put a little bit of that. Sometimes this is all I do. I just put Vaseline on my lips, and because I'm going for a more natural look, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this BeneTint on my lips. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. This was a very quick video, just showing you guys how I do my everyday 5-minute quick transformation. Very simple, very natural. I didn't even use eyeshadow. I just used a little bit of bronzer on my lids. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be uploading a lot of new interesting videos. I actually have a couple of new skincare tips and tricks. My skin was very bad. I mean, it still is kind of bad right now. I still have some dark spots, but I have a lot of tricks that I cannot wait to share with you guys on like how my skin is clearing up. I won't do that video right now. I probably will do it maybe in like a month or a couple of weeks because I still want my skin to clear up a little bit more. But you guys should totally subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I upload that video and other videos that I will be uploading. So I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Bye bye.